Hello and welcome back my YouTube family. I'm back with a new recipe and today I'm sharing with you my special recipe of sheermal. Now this sheermal goes really well with Kashmiri cuisine. So if you like this recipe, do let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start cooking.
So first for the sheermal dough, I'll start activating the yeast, for which I've got some lukewarm water. Remember, you should use lukewarm water, not hot water, for the best results. In goes 2 teaspoons of yeast. This is dry yeast. You can even use instant yeast. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it all together and I'll leave it at a warm place for the yeast to activate for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you can see the bubbles coming. That means yeast is activated. So now I'll start making the dough, for which I've got some refined flour. I'm using 300 grams of refined flour. To this I'll add some milk powder. Now this is completely optional, but this gives some nice creamy texture to our sheermals. This is 2 tablespoons. Half a teaspoon of salt. To this I'll add some ghee. You can even use butter. This is melted ghee, 5 tablespoons of it. 1 egg. And the yeast mixture. And now I'll start making the dough. I'll use my hands now. I'll also use 2 tablespoons of milk to knead a nice soft dough. I'll just apply some oil on top. Now I'll rest it for around 2 hours at a warm place till it is doubled in size. So while my dough is resting, I've got some lukewarm milk here, to which I've added some saffron, and I'll use it to top the sheermal for a nice red color. After 2 hours, my dough has risen perfectly. Now I'll start making portions of it. Now I'll divide it into 3 equal portions with the help of my knife. And now I'll roll it to a round ball. And I'll rest it for 15 minutes again by covering it. After 15 minutes, I'll start making the sheermals. I'll just dust some flour and with the help of my hands, I'll start making a nice round shape. You can even use a rolling pin. Now it should not be very thin, it should be thick. Now I'll transfer it on a baking tray. And I have also applied a butter paper on the baking tray. And I am doing this so that sheermal doesn't rise too much while baking. Now the next step is to apply the saffron milk that we made. With the help of a brush, I'll start spreading the saffron milk. You can top these sheermals with anything of your preference. You can use sesame seeds, onion seeds or dry fruits. I'll be using all 3 of these. Some dry fruits. I'll also sprinkle some green cardamom powder. This will give a nice flavor to it. Now again I'll rest them for around 10 minutes before baking. Now is the time to bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes till well done. After 15 minutes, sheermal has baked perfectly. I'll again top it with some saffron milk. So these are baked perfectly from both the sides. And these are super soft. And I've made one more with the topping of kalonji or onion seeds. And now the last step is to apply some ghee. And our sheermals are ready.
So guys, this was my version of sheermal. I hope you like the recipe. Share your feedback in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye and take care.